Hey guys, it's Kenny from Rise Up. If you've been thinking about getting started into property, maybe you've been watching my videos, watching the content, or maybe you've been spam watching the mentee success stories or property tours, or you've been sat on the fence for a very long time, well now is your chance to get started. For the first time ever, I am running a 6-week challenge. This is designed to help you get your first offer accepted within 6 weeks. So over 6 weeks, you'll join me and a small group of others undertaking this challenge. You'll get access to the same action course my very exclusive one-to-one mentees get for serviced accommodation or HMO. Whichever strategy you want to start with, that is the action course I will grant access for. But just to clarify, that is the full training course for that strategy, the same one my private mentees use. Plus, you'll get a group weekly Zoom call with me and the other people undertaking this challenge. You're also going to get all of the documents for you to download and keep, and that includes the rent-to-rent company-let contract, all of the calculators, the scripts, the templates, you name it. Everything you need to start taking action and get results. This is for anyone who's serious about getting started in rent-to-rent properly. Even if you've done nothing before, you've got no experience whatsoever, this is perfect for you. So you don't need a background in property, you don't need experience, you just need the willingness to succeed and take action. If you've been following my stuff and you're thinking, I'd love to do this, I just don't know, then this is perfect for you. Now, a lot of people are asking me, what's the difference between this and my mentorship? It's quite simple. The mentorship is a full-blown one-to-one support with me, my team, multiple Zooms per week, accountability Zooms, audits with myself, daily access to me and my team. It's very hands-on. The 6-week challenge is a group accelerator. It's like a starting platform. It gives you all of the tools, the full training online action course, weekly group Zoom, daily accountability from me, and the community support. But it's a much lower investment. So it's a great starting platform, right? To build momentum, to work out, is this something you actually want to do? You've been looking into it for a very long time. Now's your chance to get started. Then join the mentorship once you're sold on it and you're starting to take action. And if you upgrade to the mentorship, then the course of the challenge is refunded or credited towards the mentorship. The 6-week challenge is only £497. We're only taking 25 people, and once 25 people have onboarded, that's it. I will close the doors. So if you're ready to take action and finally get started, click the link below or go to the description and click the link, or go to kennypittman.com and click 6-week challenge. So join the challenge. There's only 25 spots, or we start in 2 weeks, whichever comes first. I hope you join. I'll see you on the first Zoom.